Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix snipping tool not working in Windows 11. First method is right-click taskbar, click Task Manager. Right-click snipping tool. Click End Task. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Apps, search with snipping tool. Click three dots, click Advanced Options. Click Repair, if same error still exists click Reset. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Accessibility, click Keyboard. Turn on Use the print screen key to open screen capture. Press print screen key. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.